Hi guys, welcome to a new vlog. It is Monday the 27th, I think. Yeah, 27th of September. I'm losing my months. My eyes are all watery. I went to bed with my makeup on last night. Terrible, I know, but I've just taken it off and my face is not happy, so please excuse that. But I hope you enjoy this week's vlog. If you do, don't forget to hit the thumbs up down below because it really helps me out. And if you're new, don't forget to join my family, hit that subscribe button and change that notification bell to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. So yeah, it is Monday. It's a public holiday here in Perth, so I'm not back to work till tomorrow. I've got the mother-in-law coming over. She will be here any minute. And we are going to attempt to finish the kitchen today. And then I can hide the rest of the boxes in the spare room. So yeah, we're going to attempt the kitchen. Fingers crossed we get through it. So yeah, wish us lots of luck. It is currently 8:30 in the morning. So yeah, I'm going to go and do that, and I might do an update as well. Actually, let me show you what it looks like. Okay, so this is the kitchen. So all those boxes over there are all like empty. They're ones that I've done already, but all of these boxes are mainly kitchen ones. So yeah, I have to attempt to get all of them done. I need to do last night's dishes as well. But yeah, that's our goal for today. Fingers crossed we can do it. I will chat to you guys later. So, quick check-in. Are you ready for the reveal? This is a very, very long day, hard effort. Everything's not organized, but we're kind of getting there. Okay, so the boxes are unpacked. As I said, everything's not organized, so like I'm going to still have to like organize the pantry and everything like that, and you know, play with things. But I think we did really, really well. Very happy with it. Tupperware cupboards are over there. This is the kitchen. Done really, really, really well. And we did also take the cabinet off in here, and we've put our one here. So yeah, we basically repurposed this. It was, you know, cube storage. We've put it sideways and put them like that. I think it looks cute. And then we've got the wedding cabinet and the crystal cabinet. I still need to put everything in them, but I'm super happy with how much we got done today. Hi guys, welcome to Tuesday the 28th of September. It is almost 11 o'clock right now. I am back at work now. I have a little like pimple there. My face is like hating me because I have not been doing my skincare like every single day, and my skin is like super dry at the moment, and I don't normally get dry skin, so the only thing I can think of is, yeah, because I haven't been doing my full-on skincare routine for the last like a week, so I need to get back into that, so then my skin can come good again. But yeah, I'm like breaking out and everything. We've been having, or we had takeaway for like 4 nights in a row when we moved in, so that wasn't good either. I am feeling a lot better, like pain wise and nausea wise. I did get more nausea meds though, so I have been taking them each morning when I wake up. So I was able to drink half a coffee today. I only drank half of it. It's now gone cold, so it needs to go in the bin. And yes, that's a disposable cup. During the move, I only left like 2 or 3 mugs out, and when I had people here and I was making them coffee as well, like we had no mugs, so I went and just grabbed a pack of like 20 disposable little cups and everything. So yeah, but other than that, I'm not doing any unpacking today, just purely because I'm working, so I'm focusing on work. And then this afternoon I'm actually going to go shopping because we need a new washer and dryer. We did bring our old ones with us so that we could get through the first week or two, but they're on their last legs as it is. We've known that they're not gonna last for ages. We've known that for a while, so we have been putting money aside and saving for the last like 12 months to be able to purchase some good washer and dryer combo. Like they're separate, but the ones that like stack on top of each other, so then we can have better use of space. Hi guys, quick check-in. I know I look a mess. I've got dirt everywhere, I have sand everywhere. I'm very, very red as well. I have spent the whole day today at the old place doing the gardening. I ended up having to get Morgan to come and do the pool for me because I can't move anymore. So we have just finished everything now. I had to wash the outside of all the windows, and then mow the lawns, do all the weeding, and I sprayed like weed killer like 2 weeks ago, but like so many weeds have popped up in 2 weeks. So yeah, that was fun. Not and then I had to blow back like all of the like dirt, leaves, etc., get rid of all of that. So yeah, I'm absolutely exhausted and I'm in a lot of pain right now. So I'm planning to get home and have a shower, and I think we might do like chicken in the air fryer or something tonight because I can't move. I'm so sore. Keys go back tomorrow morning at 9 AM, so I have to log into work. I think I might log in like half an hour early and see if I can take like an hour, like use my half an hour early and half an hour lunch break, or I'll just stay back a little bit so that I can go and take the keys back, because the house is only 7 minutes away from the new one. So yeah, I forgot to mention it is Wednesday the 29th of September, so that's why I didn't work today, because it's a Wednesday. But yeah, keys are due back tomorrow, so the gardening had to be done today. And I'm going to be paying for this for the rest of the week, probably even into next week. So yeah, morning guys, welcome to Thursday the 30th of September. I'm just on my way to the old house. I thought I'd do a quick check-in. I'm just on my way there because I have to hand the keys back today, and he said that he can either do it 9 o'clock at the house so we can do a quick walkthrough together, or otherwise I have to take it to the office, which is like half an hour away after work. And I finished everything I needed to yesterday, so I'm like, that's fine, we'll just do 9 AM this morning at the house. It'll be easier for me because it's only 7 minutes away from the new house. So yeah, I'm just on my way there. I still have to vacuum the front room and the theatre just because the carpet cleaner said that just give it a quick once over in those 2 rooms for any dog hair that has risen to the top. So I'm just going to quickly run the vacuum over that, if I can see any dog hairs. If not, I'm not going to bother. But yeah, then I give the keys back and do a quick walkthrough with him. So I've just taken an hour break from work, so I can hand the keys back and everything. Hey guys, quick check-in. It is Friday the 1st of October right now. We are just waiting to go into IKEA. There's Morgan. We
We're
are,
not even at IKEA yet.
well,
At the
we're about
lights.
to turn into IKEA.
No, we still got to turn again, and then we're about to turn in.
Okay, we're like literally 2 minutes away from IKEA,
No,
according
this
to the
traffic we are.
GPS.
This traffic is
IKEA's
5 minutes.
right there. Behind that building is IKEA.
Oh, it's not. It's over there.
Oh, there you go. Can you see the blue building over there?
Blue and yellow.
That's IKEA. So anyway, we're picking up Morgan's mum's IKEA order for her. She's ordered a computer chair, so she's getting Morgan to put it together for her. And then I have my yearly ultrasound today. So yeah, I'm basically in for a massive flare because the ultrasounds always cause that. So I'm a bit anxious about that, but yeah, that's what we're doing today. It's stormy here today, so Morgan had the day off work. Hi guys, quick check-in. It is, come on.
3rd of October?
Yeah, it's the 3rd of October and it's 5:10. We are just at the mother-in-law's right now. Morgan was just helping her build some furniture today. I haven't vlogged since Friday, I don't think. I'm in a massive flare up. I'm in a lot of pain. Yesterday I really couldn't get out of bed very much. My nausea was super bad. Feeling better today than what I was yesterday, but I'm in a lot of pain still, so yeah, I really haven't done much this weekend. I did make sure this weekend I didn't have anything planned because I knew that I was going to end up in a massive flare. So the flare is actually caused by the ultrasound. So they do 2 types of ultrasounds. They do an external and then an internal ultrasound, and it's always the internal ultrasound that sets me off because they poke and prod my ovaries and move my uterus and stuff around to make sure that it is all moving properly. I haven't got the official results yet. I won't get them for a few weeks until I go back to my endo doctor. But from what she said, it sounds like my left ovary is stuck. Now, I can't remember what it is stuck to, but she was mentioning that my left ovary is in a completely different suburb to the right one, and it is hard up against something. I'm not sure if it was my bowel or my bladder. I honestly can't remember what she said, but it was hard up against something and limited movement, whereas the right ovary was still moving freely. So it sounds like, unfortunately, my left ovary has gotten stuck again. So basically, I've got this little flyaway that just doesn't want to stay down. So basically what that means is the endometriosis has fused my ovary to something, and it is obviously in the wrong spot, so it will be causing me pain in general, but then when they're pressing on it and it's not moving, it caused a lot of pain, and I did end up crying. I was in a lot of pain in the appointment. By the time I got home, I had a bath. I soaked in the bath, I took some meds, I tried to sleep. Yesterday I barely did anything, and again, same today, barely done anything because, yeah, in a lot of pain. So, it is a bit, devastating to hear that, but I'm not going to worry or stress about it too much until I speak to the actual doctor so that I can find out exactly what is going on, where it is stuck, and then I will go from there. I can't say for sure whether I'll end up having surgery or not. I have been putting off having surgery for quite a while, so I don't know if I'm ready to have another surgery yet, but I guess it will determine exactly how much and what is going on. So yeah, I'm gonna end off this week's vlog here. I'm sorry that the last few days I didn't film anything. So yeah, I will chat to you guys in next week's vlog, and I hope you enjoyed this one. If you did, don't forget to hit the thumbs up down below because it really helps me out. And if you're new, don't forget to join my family, hit that subscribe button and share that notification bell to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. And as always, thanks for watching, guys. Bye!